Well, good morning, friends. Welcome back out to the homestead. It's a beautiful morning, nice and still. So I'm gonna fire up this burn pile, get it going, and then we'll see where the day takes us. Thanks for watching. That wood's pretty wet. We had a pretty good storm the last couple days, so it may take a bit to get it going. We're going to hook the truck up to the little trailer and go on into town and see about getting my toolboxes and maybe some other stuff out of our storage shed. So let's get on that. The lights aren't acting quite right, and usually that's a ground issue. Looking into it, this wire here is my ground wire. I'm thinking it's a ground issue. Anyway, I need to put a new end on this wire. Should just take a few minutes. Sharpened my knife. Apparently I sharpened it pretty good.
Sharpened it too much. Should be using.
Oh no, the wire's rotten. Apparently the whole ground wire is bad. I couldn't even strip it back, it just kept coming apart. So I'm going to replace it. Hopefully it won't take very long. Okay, as with most things, it's not as easy and simple as it should be. But hopefully by getting my tools here, that will help me in the future because I have a lot of supplies there. But what I wound up having to do was take a piece that had been added onto the ground that literally was corroded all the way back. Take it off completely, strip it back, and put a new piece on. Seems to be fine. We'll see how it goes. Just driving it down the road will help shake some of the cobwebs out, hopefully. right, we got the 2 toolboxes that we came for, and we got the shop safe, and we're gonna head back to the property now and cross our fingers and say a little prayer that we don't get stuck in the mud trying to get it to the shop. All right, that does it for unloading the trailer. Now to go park it.
Okay, now since we have successfully got Lee's toolbox here from the storage unit, it's time to check on the garden. And you'll be real surprised, because I was real surprised, if you remember my outdoor potatoes. Check them out. Look at how big they have gotten. Got flowers here. They're getting squashed. Let's lift that up. Now it's time to go inside and see how we're doing. Fingers crossed, nothing's dead. Wow, wow, wow. Look at those potatoes. They look good. Doing good. Seeing lots of ants. Here's an ant here. Check this out. Corn, some of them didn't do very good. So far the garden is doing good. I'm gonna have to water everything. If you know anything about the ants and how to get rid of the ants, maybe that's where I need my cinnamon or my cayenne pepper that I bought. But I definitely need to get rid of those ants. And still, oh, I forgot to show you the carrots, but carrots are still coming up, no problem. And it looks like I've got some chives coming up, which is just barely coming up, but still good. I just need to get things watered because it's hot in here and everything's dry. So I need to get things watered up. So let me do that. It's real humid today and I felt like I was itching back here, and then I saw a mosquito right here and I squashed it. It's got blood. Chances are it's my blood. And so I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes. Yay, mosquito season. Yeah, there's ants everywhere. They're crawling all over everything. I'm seeing them on the wood frames and stuff. I don't know what kind of ants they are, but I'm going to need to do something about that. I guess I'm going to have to get some ant killer, put it all around the outside of this perimeter. I'm going to look it up on my phone and see if that's what that cayenne pepper or that cinnamon was for. Okay, I lift up anything, there's tons of ants coming out from underneath them. So I'm not sure what kind of ants these are. Fire ants usually have mounds, but they're everywhere. So I'm just sprinkling the cinnamon everywhere. I hope I don't hurt the vegetables doing it, but I think cinnamon is what gets rid of the ants or wards them off or kills them. I don't know, but everything in here has ants. And we just can't have that. Can't have them in this dirt. Okay, everything's watered in here. Outside it's been raining, so I don't need to water anything outside. I think what I'm going to do is I have those tomatoes that seem to be doing real well over there. And I've got all these tomatoes that are planted that are still okay. There's a few that aren't doing so good. I might have hit them with fertilizer when I fertilized them. Maybe that's what the deal is with them. I don't know. But, and I hope I don't hurt them with that cinnamon. Anyway, they seem to be doing okay. So those little plant starts, I'm going to plant them in containers, and I'm going to put them outside, and they'll be the outside garden. What I need to do is figure out how I'm supposed to fertilize. I'm not fertilize, but the flowers, how they're supposed to fertilize, I guess, you know, fertilize those flowers so that they produce tomatoes if I don't have good insects. Yeah, I got ants, but I mean good insects that are going to flower things. Because I don't know if they'll produce fruit without the intermingling, and I don't know how to do that. They showed me how to do that with the zucchini. Take the male flower and go and do all the flowers like that. So I'm going to do that, but I don't know about these tomatoes. So I'm going to have to look that up and see what to do with the tomatoes. And my arm's itching really bad because I got bit by those mosquitoes, and which means I'm going to have to do something about mosquitoes. There was a wheelbarrow over here full of water from the rains. That's what I watered with, just scooping. And so that's what I will continue to do, is use any water that's laying out there that would reduce the mosquitoes. Don't know how long it takes for mosquitoes to actually do this, but we do have the pond over here and the pond over there. This area over here, it gets flooded back here under this cypress tree, and so mosquitoes might be breeding there too. I don't know, but I do know I'm going to have to do something about mosquitoes inside my zone so I don't get eaten up in here. Okay, well, let's go do something else. Okay, I added new dirt to all of those potatoes. I think I'm going to go back and add more dirt to the potatoes inside. Okay, well, I am sweating. It is humid. I'm not sure what the temperature is, 85, 86, but humid, humid, humid. We've got the dehumidifier going on in the RV, and it's already full, and it's only been a little while. Anyway, do you remember a few weeks back, I don't know how, maybe a month back, I hung a potty bags for doggy potty bags container on the tree. Well, it didn't like the rain, and it started to separate in a variety of places. So I got some really heavy duty double sticky tape and I stuck it all back together, and it lasted for a while, but then it rained again. Now, let me show you my container. I think I'm hearing a frog. Okay, this is what it looks like. My sticky tape's here, my sticky tape's here, my sticky tape's here. This sticky tape was here, but this didn't have any. It just was stuck to this front here. Anyway, needless to say, this box is gone. But I did buy a plastic one to replace it. So what I'm going to do is just simply take these potty bags out of here. I'll leave those, and next time we come, we'll hang up the plastic one. I'll take these in the house so they don't get ruined. Shh, there you go. So not much today. We didn't do a whole lot today. Bunch of little things. Lee put together that swing that we have over there that we brought from daughter's house a few weeks back. He put them back together so there's one big love seat like thing. And anyway, I guess that's it for us. Thanks for watching. You be sure to like and share, press that notification bell, and subscribe. And we will see you next time on the homestead. And next time, it'll be a full day. Bye-bye now. God bless y'all.